I have something to tell you. Come with me. That's better. In the midst of this pandemic, the government has created an app called My Sejahtera to provide users risk warning detection. Let's see what a couple of teenagers can do to make it better. Introducing YourHarmoni.
YourHarmoni is like older siblings of My Sejahtera, hence even their names sound the same. Like My Sejahtera, YourHarmoni aims to provide Malaysians with effective risk warning to minimize infection and contain the spread of the disease. However, YourHarmoni have three keys of features that take contact tracking to a whole new level. Let's take a look at them.
The main way My Sejahtera does its contact tracing is through users checking in and out of stores and restaurants through the app. Let's say person A goes to MDS Mart on Friday at 3 p.m. Person A is healthy and not infected. Now say person B goes to the same supermarket as person A, which is MDS Mart on the same day and time, Friday at 3 p.m. Unlike person A, person B has contracted the virus but has not been detected, hence why he is still roaming freely. A few days later, when it was found out that person B is indeed infected, My Sejahtera will immediately send a notification to person A saying that they are a close contact to one of the positive cases. This is how the system works, essentially. And this is also how YourHarmoni will be alerting its users, but with its own tricks up its sleeve. The first feature allows you to check the COVID-19 history of a certain premise right before you check in. Now, in the app demonstrated here, we have to type the store code before checking in, but this is just for development and testing purposes. In reality, you only need to scan the QR code, just like My Sejahtera. When you scan the QR code to check in, YourHarmoni will alert you of the recent positive cases and close contacts in the premise so that you can make the decision whether to choose to shop somewhere else. This will definitely be useful as you can prevent yourself from potentially getting exposed to high-risk premises and areas. As the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. The second feature is similar to the first one, but with a different context. Before or on the way to a supermarket or restaurant, you can search for the location you want to go to, for example Secret Recipe Bintulu, and check its recent history of COVID cases to plan ahead and avoid wastage of time. So if you know you'll be going to a bunch of different places for the day, you can immediately determine whether those places are safe to go, and then change and adjust your plan accordingly. For example, changing restaurants or going to a different supermarket that has a lower risk to shop for groceries. You can also check in immediately once you have confirmed your decision. This is also useful as now you would not have to scan the QR code in the store, creating a contact-free check-in system, thus preventing people from gathering at the entrance of the store and spreading the virus that way. So this is how it works. There will be a smartphone placed at the check-in booth of the store, and when it detects the presence of your smartphone that has been checked in beforehand, it will automatically confirm your check-in that way. Note, however, that the locations shown on the app screen are only the locations that are within a 3-kilometer radius from your current location to prevent any abuse of check-ins. In other words, you can only start to check in when you reach the parking lot of the store, for example. The third feature is similar to My Sejahtera's Hotspot tracking feature. You can see the recent COVID cases in your housing area or your current location here. It uses real-time location usage from satellites to capture your current location, just like Google Maps. To figure out your current location, you can just click the button there.
One of our app's feature improvement includes 1. Real-time contact tracing. By using our phone's accelerometer to calculate the amount and number of steps taken using vector space analysis and vector calculus. The second one, using Nexus data and satellite technology to also calculate the measure of dispersion of COVID-19 infections for people who want to travel to different countries and properly plan ahead. The last one, using augmented reality AR and artificial intelligence AI to detect whether someone is approaching from the corner of another aisle in the supermarket to prevent close contact.
We hope that our app YourHarmoni can contribute to a better and more effective risk warning detection against the COVID-19 pandemic. After all, as a team, our goal is to create technology with unparalleled quality and beyond infinity.
Hi, I'm Athanasius Carlos.
Hi, I'm Ricky.
Hi, I'm Raphael.
Hi, I'm Antoinette Kina.
I'm Alif and we are Beyond Infinity.